that weekend snow, a lot of people are keeping an eye on the weather because there are several events planned this weekend, and that might mean they could be canceled.
Our Lisa Balick is live tonight on the Portland State campus, and I know, Lisa, they have one big outdoor event planned for this weekend.
Yeah, there's a Portland Light Festival that's going on here as well as on the east side of town as well. All kinds of installations. More than 100 artists have been out working tonight to set them up. They say they will be out no matter what, rain, sun, or snow. That's for sure. Take a look. It's dark and cold out tonight, but that doesn't stop dozens of artists from working at this hour on setting up the debut of their sculptures.
This is Fios.
Fios?
Fios is a sea stallion.
Portland artist Clay McCabe says his creation is sturdy and ready for whatever weather drops by this weekend.
Everything is waterproofed for me. Like, this thing is, it's ready for water or ice.
The Free Portland Winter Light Festival attracts a big crowd, which marvels at the illuminated art sculptures, fire dancing, lantern parades, and music performances, both on the east and west side of the Willamette. Some of the artists hope there is the beauty of snow. But for other people, it's a beast to get rid of as fast as possible, as soon as it shows up in the driveway and makes its way up to their door.
The mood of people coming is usually one of two things. One is, yeah, we're finally going to have some winter. And then the other people are the opposite. Darn, why couldn't we get through the whole winter without this?
There's plenty of ammunition ready at Ankeny Hardware in southeast Portland. 800 shovels, hundreds of sleds. The timing of the snow matters. A Chinese New Year Dragon Parade is set to wind its way through downtown Portland streets Saturday starting late morning. And while city leaders often tell people to stay home if it snows, that's not what the people having these events want to happen.
The art's beautiful when you have snow and lights, but I'm just hoping that it's a dusting and that people can still come out and see the art, because if the whole city shuts down, then nobody's going to be able to come see what we did.
And with the forecast kind of still up in the air, there are a lot of sporting events as well. There's final tournaments at high schools around the area. They're waiting to see what happens in the next couple of days as the forecast shapes up, and they know how much snow we're going to get and exactly when. We'll keep you posted. Yeah. Live in downtown Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
Well, the snow, 1 to 3 inches, isn't that bad. It's the ice that really makes it hard to get out and drive in. Good story, Lisa. Thank you.